What's up, fellow adventurers? Welcome to the channel. If you're here, you're probably either planning or researching of visiting one of the most epic, breathtaking natural wonders on this planet, Niagara Falls. Whether you're looking for a quick weekend getaway or a 1 or 2 day adventure, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about planning your ultimate trip to Niagara Falls and tips that will make your trip memorable. From how to get there to must see attractions, secret tips, and all the cool things you can do, it's all right here. So don't go anywhere and watch this video till end for my one of favorite secret. First things first, how do you get to Niagara Falls? The good news, it's super accessible. To visit the US side, you'll want to fly into Buffalo Niagara International Airport, just about a 30 minutes drive from the falls. If you prefer a scenic route, road trips from New York City, Boston, or other major cities in the Northeast take about 6 to 8 hours, and trust me, the drive is scenic. Now, if you're looking for an adventure, Amtrak also offers train service right into Niagara Falls from major cities like Chicago and New York. We visited Niagara Falls twice. In our first visit, we took Amtrak from Chicago to Buffalo. Second time, we did a week-long round road trip from New York. I will cover details of other stops of our road trip like New York, Pittsburgh, Virginia and Washington DC in coming videos. So, subscribe the channel to learn detailed itinerary about these cities and press the bell icon to get notifications. To visit the Canada side, fly into Toronto Pearson International Airport, then it's a 90 minutes drive from there to the Canadian side of the falls. Alright, let's talk timing. When is the best time to visit Niagara Falls? Summer June to August is the peak season. The weather is perfect, all attractions are open, and the vibe is buzzing with energy. You'll get those picture perfect views with rainbows in the mist, but just know it's going to be crowded. Spring, April to May, and fall, September to October, are personally my best recommended times. During this time, you will experience fewer crowds, cool breezes, and you still get to enjoy all the main attractions. Winter, November to March, if you're all about that winter wonderland vibe, then go for it. The falls look straight out of a fairy tale with frozen mist and icy surroundings, but just keep in mind some attractions might be closed. Next up, where should you stay? Whether you're on a budget or ready to splurge, there's something for everyone. For budget travelers, there are plenty of affordable hotels and Airbnbs on both sides of the border. Hotels like Shelter Falls View or the Marriott are great for those who want a room with a view without breaking the bank. Okay, now for the good stuff. Let's dive into what you can do on a 1 to 2 day trip to Niagara Falls. Made of the Mist, US side, or Hornblower Cruise, Canadian side. No trip to Niagara Falls is complete without a boat ride right up to the falls. Picture yourself on a boat, gliding toward the base of Niagara Falls. As you approach, you're engulfed by the roar of the water crashing down from 167 feet high, the mist surrounding you like a cool, refreshing cloud. Be prepared to get soaked, but the experience is absolutely worth it. You'll feel the power of the falls and maybe even catch a rainbow in the mist. Journey behind the falls, Canadian side. Ever wanted to see the falls from the inside? This attraction lets you explore tunnels behind the water. The views from the observation deck are unreal. Afternoon, Goat Island and scenic walks. Okay, now that you've soaked up the falls, let's switch gears and explore the surrounding area. Niagara Falls isn't just about the water, it's also a heaven for nature lovers. Welcome to Goat Island, one of the best kept secrets of Niagara Falls. Located right in the middle of the Niagara River, Goat Island offers some of the most peaceful yet stunning views of the falls. Take a hike along its well maintained trails that wind through lush greenery. Along the way, you'll pass by towering trees, blooming wildflowers, and some pretty spectacular lookout points. Skylon Tower. For the best aerial view of the falls, head up the Skylon Tower. Grab lunch at the revolving restaurant for a 360-degree view of the entire region. Falls illumination. Every evening, the falls light up with vibrant colors, and it's a sight you can't miss. Time your visit to catch the nightly fireworks show during the summer months. It's the perfect way to end your day. If you've got an extra day, there's plenty more to explore. Whirlpool Aero Car. This cable car takes you high above the Niagara Whirlpool, giving you insane views of the rapids below. It's a short ride but totally thrilling. White water walk. Want to get up close to the rapids? This walk takes you right next to the Niagara River's raging waters. It's peaceful and exhilarating all at once. If you've got the time, explore both the US and Canadian sides. Just don't forget your passport and visa if you're crossing the border. Now, since you have watched till here, I am going to reveal my favorite secret. If you are traveling to US side, don't forget to visit Senka Niagara Resort and Casino for evening relaxation, and if you like you can book your stay with them. And that's a wrap. Niagara Falls is the perfect destination for adventure, relaxation, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. And make sure you subscribe for more travel tips and itineraries, and drop a comment below if you have got any questions or if you have been to Niagara Falls before. I'd love to hear your experiences. Alright, until next time. Happy travel, adventurers!